Okay, the other thing that you can do is play a YouTube video. This is useful if you want to present an extra material that you have on YouTube, maybe even your own presentation, on top of the tour that you have. So let me show you how you can do this. First, let me delete this SoundCloud command because I don't want the music and the sound to be interfere with each other. Then from the list of commands, I'm going to select play YouTube. I'm going to add it. So the first thing that we need is the URL for the video. So first, I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to search for Jupiter moons. Let's say. I'm going to select this first video, and here we have a nice video, and I'm going to take the URL here that I see in my browser. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go back to my solar system, and I'm going to put it right here in this field. So the next thing that we have to do is to specify where we want our video to show up. And this is basically you specify that in the X and Y coordinates on the screen. The X coordinates being the horizontal axis and the Y being the vertical axis here on the screen. And these are in pixels on the screen. So if I say, I can say, you know what, 100 pixel in the X coordinate and 100 pixel in the Y coordinate, and then I can specify what the alignment should be. So I can say if I want 100 pixel from the right, then I say the horizontal alignment is right, or if I want it from the left side, I say the horizontal alignment is left. And you know what, right now I'll select left, and then the vertical alignment again says whether I want the video to be 100 pixels from the bottom or from the top of the screen. I'm just going to select top for now. Then you specify the width and the height of the video that you want. I'm just going to say it's going to be 300 pixels by 150 pixels, and that would be the height. And again, here you can specify whether you want this command to be synchronous or not. If it's synchronous, it's not gonna go to the next command until this video is done playing. You know what, that's not a bad option. I'm gonna select this. So now what's gonna happen in our tour is that first we're gonna change the filter, then we're gonna hide the menu, then we're gonna go to Jupiter, and it's gonna take us 4 seconds to get there. Then we're gonna move the camera slightly up and slightly to the right, and then we have to play, we're gonna play this YouTube video. You know what, now let me do something else. Instead of playing the YouTube video after we move the camera up and to the right, I want to play it at the same time. So I'm gonna uncheck this synchronous button on this previous command and allow these two to happen at the same time. So let's see a quick preview of what we have so far. We're gonna go to Jupiter as expected, and we're gonna go up. We're gonna move the camera, and at the same time the video starts
Jupiter's
playing.
largest moons were first seen 400 years ago in early 1610.
And you notice that
Hello
this
and
is
welcome.
playing
I'm Jane
100
Houston-Jones at
pixels
NASA's
from the
Jet
top
Propulsion Laboratory in
and
Pasadena,
100
California.
pixels from the left.
On the 7th of January,
Now I'm just gonna stop the
1610
tour, and it all goes away. Now I can get back to my tour.